From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Here's question 5 of 2025 NECO, and it's on simple interest. It says, find the amount paid by an investor that took a loan of 4,000 naira for 6 months at 12% per annum simple interest. So you are looking for the amount. You recall that formula for amount is simply principal plus interest. We know what the principal is, which is the 4,000. We don't know what the interest is. So we need to find what the interest is first. But interest, we know, is principal times rate times time over 100. Notice that the time is given in months. So we have to convert these months to years by dividing by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So principal is 4,000, rate is 12, and time is 6 over 12, everything over 100. This 20 can cancel this 12 can cancel this, and 6 into 40, or 40 times 6 is 240 naira. And so our amount will then be 4,000 naira plus 240. And if we add this, we'll get 4,240. And the correct option is C. Thank you for watching.